So how do you calculate your safety net? You're going to take your needs expenses, and this applies to personal or business. Like, what are the mission critical expenses you have that you need to pay? And you get that number. Maybe that number is $10,000, right? Then you multiply that by 6 months. This gives you a 6-month safety net that if for some reason things don't go according to plan, you sell properties late, or you have to take a break for a family emergency, then you have 6 months of a breathing room to delegate something, hire something out, or for you to just take a break and go back and figure it out, right? You don't feel like you're going to lose your business tomorrow. Then you also need to figure out your personal safety net number. This applies to your finances too. Like, if the business isn't working well, or maybe you're not getting clients right now, then you don't want your family to stress out about how you're going to make the next mortgage payment or car payment. So make sure you have that personal and business safety net number, and also actually keep it. Keep your personal and business safety net in an account or a line of credit account where you can draw on it if you need it.